Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today is November the 6th and we're heading into CVS to get mostly all digital deals. There are a couple things that we are getting with some printable coupons, but there's no actual newspaper coupons used for this haul. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and smash that like button. Also, join me on Facebook and Instagram so you know when all of my deals are coming out. There's also a printable breakdown in the description box. You can either print this off to take it in the store with you, or you can just pull it up on your phone. It makes your life a lot easier. Let's go ahead and get started on some deals. So around the holidays, we always get these gift sets, and these are great just to stock up on to keep for whenever you have a birthday party or some kind of event that you need to give a gift away and you're not prepared. That happens a lot in my house. We have a lot of kids and we have birthday parties all the time. So these gift sets that I actually picked up were $5.99. When you buy one of them, you'll get back $2 in extra care bucks. Now there are larger gift sets, and the larger the gift sets, the more extra care bucks you're able to get back, but I'm not certain of the actual prices because they didn't have all of the tags on the gift sets when I went in the store this morning. So far, these are $5.99. We're going to get back $2 extra care bucks. It will make these $4. We also have a $3 off digital coupon on the CVS app that's going to come off as well. So with that $3 digital coupon and the $2 in extra care bucks you're getting back, these gift sets are going to be just 99 cents each. The next thing I picked up were these Nature Valley cereal bars or protein bars. They are on sale for $1.99. That's a pretty great deal. I usually don't see them that cheap in Walmart. So $1.99 for these bars. You're going to pick up 2 boxes. Your total is going to be about $4 when you pick up 2 boxes, $3.98. Then we're going to use this 50-cent digital coupon on the CVS app. You also can use a 50-cent coupon from the coupons.com app if you don't have this 50-cent coupon on your app. So either or, you can't use both, but you can use a 50-cent from the CVS app or a 50-cent from the coupons app. In addition to that, we have a 25-cent on IBOTTA that can be used up to 5 times. So that's 50 cents back because we're buying 2 boxes. It's going to bring our total to $2.98 or about $1.49 each for these. You guys know me that it's not a week at CVS without checking out the cereal deals. I only try to buy cereal at CVS. These boxes of General Mills cereals are going to be about 99 cents each. And the best deal is either going to be on the Lucky Charms or the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I just took the picture there so you can see that there are different varieties. So you're going to pick up 2 boxes of the General Mills cereals for $1.99 each. Then that cost is going to be $3.98 for both of them. There is a $1 coupon on the CVS app, so this is a digital deal as well. And then we're going to head on over to IBOTTA. Now, IBOTTA has the rebates for 50 cents on the Cinnamon Toast Crunch or the Lucky Charms. And that's going to be 50 cents you're going to get back for both boxes. So you'll get a $1 coupon that you'll use on the app, and then you'll get back $1 on IBOTTA, making both of these cereals just $1.98 or 99 cents each. So I did print off a coupon from the Unilever mail. So what happens is when you sign up at the Unilever website, they will send you coupons to your email. And so these are must-do coupons. You must print these off. They're really good coupons. So this Swab deodorant, they're buy one, get one 50% off. So with that price, they're about paying $2.09 each. When you buy 2, it's about $4.18. We're going to use this $1.50 coupon that I received in the Unilever email. And then we're also going to get back $2 in extra care bucks, making these 68 cents or about 34 cents each. I think this was a great deal on deodorant, and I needed some for my stockpile. Now, this was a deal we did a couple weeks ago. These are going to be on the Hallmark cards. What happens is when you buy 3 Hallmark cards, you'll get back $3 in extra care bucks. Well, it is glitching, and you're able to buy the 99-cent card. So they have these cute little Thanksgiving ones that I bought a couple weeks ago. There are some Christmas ones out that are 99 cents. So when you buy 3 of these cards at 99 cents, your total is going to be $2.97. You'll get back $3 in extra care bucks, making this free or a 3-cent money maker. So this is a cute deal. I keep picking these up every time they have the Hallmark glitch. Detergent, and just like everything else, is becoming more and more expensive, and it's hard to get these for, less than $1 or free. So these are about half off for the all detergents, $2.73 per pack. What we're going to do is we're going to pick up 3 of these at $4.29 each. That's going to make them $12.87 when we pick up 3. We have these $1.25 coupons. Now, you can either use the printable ones from the coupons website for $1.25, which I went ahead and printed off 2 of them. Then we have $1.25 on the CVS app, and then there's also $1.25 on the coupons app. So you have 3 different ways you can get this coupon, but I went ahead and printed these off because I am getting 3 packs. So I was able to print off 2 of these coupons and then use one of the CVS app coupons. In addition to that, when we spend $12, we'll get back $2 in extra care bucks. So with those 3 coupons, that's $3.75 in coupons and $2 back in extra care bucks. It's going to make these $7.12 for all 3 packs. So that's not terrible, but it's not amazing. It's going to make these just $2.37 for each pack after the coupons and extra care bucks. The next deal on these Skintimate razors are going to make these about $2.99 each. So these are usually $8.99, but they're on sale for $6.99. Now, to do this deal, I'm going to go ahead and pick up 2 containers of the Skintimates, and that's going to make the total $13.98. We have this $5 coupon on the CVS app when we buy 2. And then we also are going to get back $3 in extra care bucks. Now, we're only going to get that back once. And we'll get that back once, which will make our total $5.98, or about $2.99 for each. The next thing we have is this Colgate Optic White toothpaste. It's going to be about 49 cents each after digital coupons. So these are usually $5.19, but they're on sale for $3.99. We're going to pick up 2 of them. Our total is going to be $7.98. There are $1 digital coupons on the CVS app that we will use. And then there's also a $1 digital coupon that we'll use on the coupons app. You could also go over to the coupons.com website and print off dollar coupons if you want, but you just need 2 of these coupons, no matter if it is the CVS app or the coupons app. So we'll take $2 off in coupons, and then we'll also get back $5 in extra care bucks, which is a high value of extra care bucks, making our total after coupons and extra care bucks 98 cents, or about 49 cents each. Now, this is not a special deal, but I thought this was decent because I need these all the time, and they are a little pricey. So the Airwick Essential Mist are usually $8.49, but they're on sale at CVS for $5.99. There is an IBOTTA rebate for $1.50. I was looking for the Airwick, the cartridge that actually blows it out, but they didn't have it at the store. But these were going to be just $4.49 after that $1.50 Ibotta rebate. All right, so I forgot to take a picture of this in the store, but this is going to be a total freebie. These are the Oral-B toothbrushes. There are $3.99 each. This is a stock up item this week. This is probably my deal of the day. So you're going to pick up 4 of these at $3.99 each. Your total is going to be $15.96. We have two different digital coupons that you're going to be using on the CVS app. You have a $5 digital coupon, and then you have a $1 digital coupon. Both of those are going to come off, so that's $6 in coupons. Then, when you buy two of these, you'll get back $3 in extra care bucks. But because we're buying four, we'll get back $6 in extra care bucks. Then, in addition to that, we're going to head on over to IBOTTA and get back a $1 rebate on each toothbrush. When you get back that $1 rebate on each toothbrush, it's going to make these totally free or a 4-cent moneymaker on these 4 toothbrushes.